Now I would like to request our honorable MLA sir to hand over the medal.
Ladies and gentlemen, the third place goes to Sujita Sorgeri from Tamalpur. And the second place goes to Ritumani Boro from Bodoland. And the first place goes to Pamita Das from Baksa.
Pamita from Baksa. Thank you, sir.
And now we'll have the 400-meter walk. Anna Sarkar from Sirang, Levita Pasutari Udalguri, and Anjana Parman from Kopan.
Anjana, Levita, and Anna.
Anjana Parman, coach manager, please do come forward to receive the medal. Coach or the manager from Kokrajhar. Kokrajhar need team manager but coach medal को आजम में खड़ा होने देगा. On behalf of Anjana Parman.
In absence of Anjana, apuni jaoge, apuni chair bata take. In this connection, we would like to request our Honorable Executive Member, Department of Sports and Youth Welfare, Sri Tawai Sabode.
So ladies and gentlemen, in the 400-meter woman, the third place goes to Anjana Parman from Kokrajhar. She is absent, but on behalf of her father came to receive the trophy, the medal. And the second place goes to Nivita Pasutari from Udalguri. And the fourth place goes to Anna Sarkar from Sirang.
Anna Sarkar from Sirang. दिखती पतली है लेकिन खतरनाक है बहुत. Thank you.
So now men long jump. Paramik Basumari from Baksa, Dipankar Roy from Sirang, and Didam Basumari from Tamalpur. Please do come.
In this connection, in this regard, I would like to request our Joint Secretary, Mr. Kuldeep Pasamutari, sir, to hand over the medal and the certificate.
So ladies and gentlemen, the third place goes to Didam Basumari from Tamalpur. Our native banter from Manaharan, Dipankar Roy from Sirang.
Dipankar from Sirang.
Our city banter from Manaharan, Bodoland Basumutari, Baksa.
Mr. Praveen from Baksa. Thank you, sir, for presenting the medal and the certificate.
And now 400-meter man, Joten Boro from Tamalpur, Ritum Musari from Kokrajhar, please to come here to keep this stand.
In this connection, would like to request our Secretary of the District UPPL, Mr. Detu Basmutari.
400 meter man দ্বিতীয় পুরস্কার পাওয়ার সক্ষম হয়েছে গৌরব সিয়া দ্বিতীয় পুরস্কার পাওয়ার সক্ষম হয়েছে রেতুন মুসারে আর এইয়া প্রথম পুরস্কার পাবো সক্ষম হয়েছে জলেন বড়
Thank you, sir, for presenting.
রূপম কুমার গৌতম বেইনারি ভবেন কোসারি 100 মিটার ম্যান বিকৃষ্ট হলে
Okay. In this connection, I would like to request working president of All Assam Master Athletic Association, Mr. Magura Balari.
Ladies and gentlemen, the third place goes to Bhavan Kosari from Bodoland.
Handsome बंदा है, बाल भी लंबा है, इनकी जैसा बताती बहुत.
And the second place goes to Gautam Temari from Tamilpur. And the fourth place goes to Rupam Kumar from Tamilpur.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
In the long term women's section, Padmani Boro Baksa, Sreju Boro Tamilpur, and Mamani Begum Kokrajan. Please do come here to keep this stand.
Then we have Amoni, Siju, Padmini. Padmini, Siju, and Mamoni. Baksa, Tamilpur, and Kokrajar, respectively. In this
Mamani
connection,
Begum Kokrajan.
in this connection, again,
Order coach, please do come and receive the medal.
Besumawa Arabau, Zangina Mangana, MLA Bitanko, Pintiap Sumawa, Kaulagan.
Team manager from Kokrajan, please do come forward. Surga sase pilih na aja pilih. Orang pun kira nama. Kokrajan ni pilih.
On behalf of
So ladies and gentlemen, the third place goes to Mamani Begum from Kokrajan. On behalf of Mamani Begum, the district sports officer from Kokrajan is receiving the medal.
this,
And the second place goes to Sreju Boro from Tamilpur. And the fourth place goes to Padmani Boro from Pakistan. And now we are going to give away the medals for the 4 into 100 meter relay man. Amayate now 9 into chase number 247, 249, 236, and 248. Please do come from Kokrajan. 247 from Kokrajan, 249 from Kokrajan, 236 also from Bodoland, and 248 also from Bodoland. Please do come and visit the 4 into 100 meter relay. After
ডেভিডৰ অভিনয় এতিয়া মই অনুৰোধ জনাব বিচাৰিছোঁ একেলগে আমাৰ অতিথিসকলক কয়
And 209 from Tamilpur, 199 from Tamilpur, 201 from Tamilpur, and 198 from Tamilpur. For the 4 into 100 meter relay man, Tamilpur of 4 into 100 meter relay man, also going second place. Our third place was Udalguri 139, 140, 102 or 101. Third place of all, Udalguri. Please do come to receive your medal.
Bes समाव लिंहरनो सानदों जोंनि KDSC Vice President Mr. Sarika Prasad Pal for the third and for the second Mr. Premjit Narjari, Secretary KDSA, and for the first Mr. Kasrat Brahmo, DSO Chira.
So ladies and gentlemen, the third place for the 4 into 100 meter relay race goes to Udalguri. Udalguri, third place. And now, the second place goes to Tamilpur. May I request our honorable guests to give away the medal for Tamilpur.
For highest winning goal, district will receive the best district trophy.
So ladies and gentlemen, give a big hand for the Kokazar. The fourth place goes to Kokazar for the 4 into 100 meter relay. Akhir komdan raja Tamil Kokazar di first place menurut akhir komdan Kokazar menurut yang jadi singgah saja dengan saya akhir dia bawa dia. So thank you very much. And next we have 4 into 100 meter relay women. Baksa 156, 172, 166, 158. Baksa team, please to come. Baksa.
Please hurry up.
4 into 100 meter relay Baksa team. Big Christian Kapon Ahimo Karna Honor Jumahol. Yar Pizon se amar Udalguri team 118107 122 Second place was the Udalguri team. Our third place was the Siram team 216231230250. Siram team.
In this regard, I would like to request SDSO Mr. Matila Pargayari and Mr. Pritias, Retail Chief Manager of SBI, and Mr. Pradeep Kumar Narjari, DSO Kokrazar.
Ladies and gentlemen, the third place goes to Siam. You have to encourage these players. And the second place goes to Udalguri.
একজন দিয়ে নাই চারিজন না শাসিনী 마음은 비슷한 중이야.
Namanya Kisilo apa lagi nih?
Medal arrived at back.
그래야 비슷한 중이야.
And the first place goes to Baksa
Baksa. Thank you.
And ladies and gentlemen, here is the best athlete. The best athlete among the girls and among the boys. We have two best athletes. I request Ms. Pritika Das, the 3 gold medals. Please do come.
The best athlete.
District.
Would like to request our honorable MLA.
Ladies and gentlemen, she is from Baksa. Let's give a big hand.
Honorable Raiti.
So, ladies and gentlemen, the next among boys, the best athlete goes to Rupam Kumar. Is from Tamil School.
Hi, hello, operator. Thank you, sir. The best about the Gases and Shanghai Women's Category Football Champion League participated in the 4th match ceremony. Paper certified. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the best player for the women's football goes to Sir. The football team members, please come up. What are the team members from Bodoland Sports? Siapa yang resign? Bodoland Sports. And with team manager and the coach. Come up. Referee. Nama, siapa nama? Apa lagi nama referee? Jaga bakal memberi skor sedang ini. Semua lazim. Now. The best player of the last final match, women category, goes to Daiki Boyo, President of Society, from Kolkata. Daiki Boyo? What is it? Baik, jangan teman-teman. Please, team manager, on behalf of Daiki, receive the trophy. Oh, ini berapa? Ini di mana itu? Cut! Now, ladies and gentlemen, the runners of trophy goes to the team Udalguri. It is an extra I would like to request our EM Sports and Youth Welfare Team to hand over the runners of trophy along with medals to the team members.
team manager of the line of team coach, team manager from Udapuri. Akan kembali mulai satu minggu, satu kiri dan betul. Please receive the runners up trophy for our honorable EM, sir. The team captain. Akan kita bola. Thank you, sir. Now the best player of the final match, women football, goes to SAI. Now I would like to request. Now I would like to request Mr. Kadikumar Mushabali, President of all CCTV Disabled Dependent Association. Mr. Kadikumar Mushabali, President of all Dependent Association, will hand over the trophy to our best player, Jason Cole. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the last but not the least, the champion trophy goes to, as you know already, Kokrajar won the match against Udalguri. Please come up, the team members from Kokrajar. Please have a huge round of applause for Kokrajar. Honorable MLA Sri Lawrence Islari sir to hand over the medals to the team members of Kokrajar.
আমি enggak lah, bayar dulu besok terus niat lagi ya bisa kena kita nih bu, kita aja nih bu nih ini nih bu
And now I request our honorable MLA to give away the trophy. The champion trophy! Selama ini kita tuh hidup mau ngecek mulainya aja. Bang University. Hello, hello. The first district chief. Hello, district chief.
Yes, because
West district Simasaibai, Bangsin, Medal Cheli, Bitan Menang Hadir. And it goes to Sudan. Second Bodoland Sports Meet 2024. Would like to request our Honorable EMBTR, along with MLS, to come out and hand over the trophy to the
Yes, yes, mic speaker, microphone.
There are total 1,135 medals. The district of Daguri total won the 35 medals and 12 medals.
Hello, check, hello.
And now I request our district contingent team, the leader, to lower the flag. I request